Hello students, let's see today types of economic activities. Economic activities are carried out with a view or with an object of earning profit or earning money. So there are different types of economic activity which people carry on. Three of those are main, which is business, profession and employment. So let's see one by one what are these and what are its characteristics. So business includes all those economic activities which are concerned with production or exchange of goods and services with an object of earning profit. So for business, there must be exchange or production of goods, and the main objective must be earning profit. So some capital is needed for business, and with that, collecting or assembling all the factors of production, some goods or service is produced. A factory, a shop, a transport company, warehouse, insurance company, all these are examples of business houses. And all these activities which are carried under them is business. So this is business. Again, profession. Profession means any occupation which is carried on with a view of earning some money or some living by specialized body of knowledge, like a chartered accountant have total knowledge of accountancy. So for providing these services to the client, he charges some money. Similarly, a doctor, a lawyer, all these are professionals. So let's see what are the main features of profession. So it is a specialized body of knowledge. Like a lawyer knows law, chartered accountant knows accountancy, a doctor knows medical treatment. So they have some specialized body of knowledge which they possess, and using that they can earn money. Again, there is a restricted entry. There are some associations which give affiliation to these professionals. So there is always a restricted entry. So anybody cannot become a doctor or lawyer or chartered accountant till he has some professional qualification, and also he or she is enrolled with a professional association which looks after the similar profession. Again, formal education and training is needed for becoming a professional, like MBBS, CA, LLB. All these are professional degrees which have to be acquired for carrying out respectively the work of a doctor or accountant or a lawyer. When professional associations are there which keep track of who are our members, like Indian Medical Association keeps track of doctors, and ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, enlist all the chartered accountants. And employment is simply, okay, some more characteristics are there, like service motive. They provide some service professionals, and in lieu of that they earn money. And there is a code of conduct also, since they work independently. So there is a code of conduct governing their conduct, and since they work independently, so these code of conduct are always applicable to their work related thing. Last thing is employment. Employment means when somebody provides his mental or physical services with time to an employer, and in lieu of that he or she pays some money. That is called employment. Like a government employee, or a labor working in a factory, all these are mode of employment. Let's see what are the main features of employment. The person who works to earn money, or he provides his mental or physical services, is called employee. Those who are paying money in lieu of the services obtained from the employee are called employer. There is a service agreement or contract between the employer and the employee under the terms of which they work. Investment is not needed in case of employment, and only mental or physical effort of anyone is enough. And the employee gets wages or salary for their services, either monthly or fortnightly or weekly or daily, whatever may be the mood. Generally, monthly or fortnightly they are paid. Let's see some example. A teacher teaching in school or college is an employee. Engineer employed in municipal corporation of Delhi is an employee. An accountant working in the accounts department of a company are employee. So all these are examples of em- employment. So let's see at last what are the difference between all these today only. So establishment of business, a lot of capital is needed, and for profession a little capital is needed. Some office has to be opened, but for employment no capital or heavy amount is needed. Business provides services or goods by the exchange or production method, but employee provides only his or her services to the employer, whereas a professional provides service as well as his authentication is also used, like a medical certificate written by a doctor has some value, an audit report written by a chartered accountant has some value. So they provide service as well as some authentication as well. For business, there is no qualification for becoming employee or joining employment. Some qualification based on the requirement of employer is given. But for profession, qualification is a must, and some professional qualification has to be acquired. The main objective of business is to earn profit. The main objective of profession is to earn living, money, or for employment, the main objective is to earn salary or wages or increased salary or wages. Investment, in case of business, there is a huge investment. In profession, there is little investment, and in case of employment, there is no investment. Only somebody has to reach the office with his body. Those transport allowance may be the expenses. Risk, in business there is a lot of risk because huge investment is made, and in profession there is less risk. Only the cancellation of professional status is a problem, and in case of employment there is no risk at all. The reward of business is called profit, the reward of professional is called fee, and in employment wages or salary is earned. Transfer of interest, business, in business transfer of interest may be done, and but in case of profession and employment, transfer of interest cannot be done. A professional degree cannot be given to other, or an or a service or a job cannot be given to any other person. In case of business, lot of advertisement is done. In case of profession, there's little advertisement may have to be done to the target consumer about what are the services provided by the professional. But in case of employment, there is no public advertisement given. Only at the time of seeking job, an advertisement may be given. So all these are difference of business, profession, and employment. So thanks.